improper fraction. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. Seven over 3 times 3. This 3 will cancel here. This 3 will also cancel 3 to give us 1. We have 70 divided by 7 times 1. 7 times 1 is 7. 70 divided by 7 equal to 10. Easy, right? But this answer is wrong because according to order of operation, which is PEMDAS, M and D has equal priority. You evaluate from left to right. According to this equation, we are going to do the division before we do the multiplication. Okay? Changing the mixed number to improper fraction. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. We begin with this division, right? 70 divided by 7 over 3. Using the KCF rule, K stands for keep. We keep the 70. C stands for change. We change this division to multiplication. And F stands for flip. We flip 7 over 3 into 3 over 7. Okay? So, this 7 will cancel this 7 will give us 1. 7 will cancel the 70, it will give us 10. 10 times 3 will give us 30. Alright? Remember we have multiplication here and the 3 there. Now 30 times 3 equal to 90. This is the correct answer.